Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best auto fuse is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components in any electrical system, acting as a crucial safeguard against overcurrents and short circuits that could otherwise lead to catastrophic damage or even fire hazards. This tiny but mighty device is designed to intentionally break the circuit when the current exceeds a safe level, protecting your valuable equipment and ensuring the overall safety of your installation, making its selection and proper functioning paramount for peace of mind and system longevity. Number 5. JOREST 300 Pcs Automotive Fuse Assortment Kit. This kit provides a wide range of fuses, including micro, mini, and standard sizes, covering 11 different current specifications to meet all your automotive needs. We've increased the quantity of the most frequently used amperage ratings, ensuring you have plenty of backups for your vehicle's electrical system. Constructed with eco-friendly plastic and zinc alloy, these fuses are built to last and are suitable for a variety of vehicles like cars, RVs, trucks, and boats. Each fuse is color-coded and clearly marked with its amperage rating, making it simple to find the exact one you need quickly. For your convenience, this kit comes with installation instructions to guide you through the fuse replacement process accurately. With 300 fuses and a handy puller included, this assortment is an essential replacement part for maintaining your vehicle's electrical safety. What we like. This kit offers a comprehensive range of 3 fuse sizes and common amperage values, making it a versatile choice. It's easy to identify the correct fuse thanks to color coding and clear markings. If you need a wide variety of fuses for general automotive use or as a backup for your car, RV, or boat, this is a solid option. What people say. After replacing a couple of fuses, everything worked fine. I also like this set because it includes different fuse sizes. Great assortment of fuses for all of your automotive needs. Love having fuses on hand and organized in the box. Number 4. 140 Pcs Automotive Fuse Kit. This kit includes 140 fuses in both standard and mini sizes, covering all the most common amperages you'll need. It's designed to be a complete solution for your automotive fuse needs. Each fuse is made from a high-quality zinc alloy with a transparent, color-coded cover for quick and easy identification. This ensures you can quickly find the right fuse for the job. You'll find 14 different types of fuses, including both standard and mini blade types. We've included 10 pieces of each amperage from 5A to 30A, ensuring you have plenty of spares. These fuses are perfect for a wide range of vehicles, including cars, trucks, RVs, campers, boats, and other marine applications. They provide essential protection wherever you go. It's crucial to use the correct amperage fuse to protect your vehicle's electrical system and sensitive equipment. This kit helps prevent damage from short circuits and overloads. Not only do you get 140 fuses, but this kit also includes 2 convenient fuse pullers. You'll receive 70 standard and 70 mini fuses, with 10 of each amperage. What we like. This assortment provides the 14 most common fuse types in both standard and mini sizes, with a good quantity of each. The color coding ensures quick identification. If you're looking for a straightforward and reliable set of essential fuses for most vehicles, this kit is a practical choice. What people say. Perfect variety, perfect fit, good organization, excellent quality, good appearance. Nice label inside container, nice color coding, small and compact, great for RV. It has all the size blade fuses you would ever need. Very nice kit to keep in your car. Number 3. 282 Pieces Automotive Blade Fuses Assortment Kit. This kit provides a wide range of fuses to meet all your automotive needs. It includes standard, mini, and low-profile mini sizes for versatile application. Each fuse is clearly marked with its amperage and color-coded. This makes it incredibly easy to find the exact fuse you need quickly. With amperages ranging from 2A to 40A, you're sure to find the perfect fit for your vehicle. This ensures optimal protection for your car's electrical system. These blade fuses are designed for a variety of vehicles. They are ideal for cars, RVs, trucks, and boats, offering reliable protection wherever you go. This assortment includes all the essential sizes you'll need, plus a convenient fuse puller. It's everything you need for effective replacement and maintenance. Using the correct amp fuse is crucial for protecting your vehicle and electronics. It prevents damage from short circuits and overloads, keeping your system safe. What we like. This kit stands out with its inclusion of standard, mini, and even low-profile mini fuses, covering a broad amperage range from 2A to 40A. The clear markings and color coding make selection simple. If you need a very comprehensive fuse set that accommodates various vehicle types and specific fuse slot sizes, this is an excellent selection. What people say. The Auto Fuse is a game-changer for managing my home network. It seamlessly integrates with my existing router and provides granular control over my internet connection. I was impressed by the Auto Fuse's intuitive interface. Setting up custom network rules and monitoring bandwidth usage was a breeze, even for someone not very tech-savvy. The Auto Fuse's advanced features, like parental controls and VPN support, offer peace of mind and enhanced security for my family's online activities. Number 2. Recoil FT1-1012V Car Add a Circuit Fuse Tap Adapter. Introducing the Recoil FT1-10, a versatile fuse tap adapter designed for your vehicle. It provides a simple way to add new circuits without damaging your existing wiring. This adapter features dual fuse slots, allowing you to protect both your original circuit and a new addition. Each slot can handle up to 20A, ensuring reliable performance. Installation is a breeze. You can easily add new circuits for accessories like dash cams, GPS, or LED lights without any need for splicing or cutting wires. Designed to fit any vehicle with a standard fuse slot, it's the perfect solution for powering your favorite electronic devices directly from the fuse box. Crafted from high-quality materials, it offers excellent electrical conductivity, good bending performance, and resistance to melting, ensuring long-lasting use. This pack comes with 10 fuses, including 10A and 20A options, so you have everything you need to get started right away. What we like. This product is unique as it allows you to easily add new circuits to your existing fuse box without cutting or splicing wires. It provides protection for both the original circuit and the new one. If you're looking to install accessories like dash cams, GPS, or LED light strips and want a clean, professional installation, this Add a Circuit adapter is perfect for you. What people say. These are the right way to add an extra circuit in my vehicle. These will offer fusing for both circuits and prevent overloading when properly used. Much safer than splicing. Make it very simple to jump an existing circuit to create another which will be controlled by switches already installed, and do it safely. These are foolproof way to link into a circuit. These worked perfectly on my K5 Blazer to run some extra switches. Number 1. Blue Sea Systems ATO/ATC Fuses. Ensure the safety of your electronic devices with these fast-acting fuses. They are designed for standard circuit protection in automobiles and trucks. Featuring tin-plated connector blades, these fuses offer excellent corrosion resistance. This ensures a reliable connection and long-lasting performance. This pack includes two 1A fuses, perfect for specific electronic needs. They provide precise protection where you need it most. These fuses are the ideal choice for protecting sensitive electronic equipment. Their fast-acting nature prevents damage from power surges. Designed as standard circuit protection devices, they are perfectly suited for use in both cars and trucks. Keep your vehicle's electrical system secure. What we like. These fuses are designed for fast-acting protection, ideal for sensitive electronic devices. Their tin-plated connector blades ensure corrosion resistance for reliable contact. If you need precise, quick protection for specific electronic components in your car or truck and prioritize reliability and longevity, these specialized fuses are a great choice. What people say. Quick delivery and a fair price. Worked like a charm. Worked and did what they were supposed to do. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.